Huawei P40 Pro currently sits at the top of DxOMark's list of phones with the best cameras. Coming next year, Huawei aims to retain the crown with the P50 series, which is already in development according to an executive. Details about the development of the next P series flagship were revealed by Wang, the general manager of the P series product line. He said that the time frame from development to launch of the P series phone takes at least 18 months. This means the P50 series has already been in development even before the launch of the P40 series in March. Wang stated that the global R&D team meets a year before the launch to discuss innovative technologies and solutions that will make it to the devices. The company executive said the next P series flagship will boast cutting-edge technologies, including the new breakthroughs when they arrive next year. In accordance with established practice, the Huawei P50 series will be premiered worldwide in March next year. Based on this calculation, the technical solution of the P50 series has been determined and entered the development stage. Unsurprisingly, the Huawei P50 series will continue to bring innovations in both aesthetics and imaging. At the same time, it will continue to improve in functions such as photography, refreshing the DxOMark mobile phone camera score record again. Huawei is expected to launch the flagship with the new 5nm Kirin 1000 chipset that will appear first in the Mate 40 series after this year. This generation of P40 series uses the combination of medium cup, large cup and super cup for the first time. The purpose is to allow each user to find a product that suits them. The P50 series should also continue this product array including P50, P50 Plus and P50 Pro Plus. We have to keep in mind that all these speculations may not be 100% on point. For the final details, we have to wait till the official release of these devices. Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates.